Vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency happens when the body does not get enough vitamin A to support vision, immunity, and healthy skin. This vitamin is commonly found in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, eggs, and dairy products. When levels drop too low, one of the earliest signs can be night blindness, where the eyes struggle to see in low light. Over time, the eyes can become dry and damaged, and the immune system weakens, making infections more likely. In many parts of the world, especially where diets lack fruits and vegetables, this deficiency is a major public health concern. Vitamin B1 deficiency. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine deficiency, affects how the body turns food into energy. Thiamine plays a key role in nerve function and muscle activity, especially in the heart. When the body lacks it, symptoms such as fatigue, nerve damage, and heart problems can appear. Historically, this deficiency became widely known through a disease called beriberi, which was common in regions where people relied heavily on polished white rice that lacked the vitamin-rich outer layer. Vitamin B2 deficiency. Vitamin B2 involves a shortage of riboflavin, a vitamin essential for energy production and cell growth. Riboflavin helps the body break down fats, drugs, and hormones while supporting healthy skin and eyes. When levels are low, people may develop cracks at the corners of the mouth, a sore throat, or inflamed skin. Although severe cases are less common today, mild deficiency can still appear in people with poor diets or certain medical conditions that affect nutrient absorption. Vitamin B3 deficiency. Vitamin B3 refers to a lack of niacin, a vitamin that helps convert food into energy and supports the nervous system and digestive system. When the body does not receive enough niacin, it can lead to a condition called pellagra. Pellagra is traditionally described by three main symptoms: dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. Historically, this deficiency appeared in communities that relied heavily on corn-based diets without proper food preparation that releases niacin. Vitamin B5 deficiency. Vitamin B5 is rare but still possible when diets lack variety or when severe malnutrition occurs. Vitamin B5, also called pantothenic acid, helps the body create hormones and break down fats and carbohydrates for energy. When levels fall too low, symptoms can include fatigue, irritability, numbness, and a burning sensation in the feet. Because this vitamin is found in many foods, including meat, whole grains, eggs, and vegetables, serious deficiency is uncommon. Vitamin B6 deficiency. Vitamin B6 affects the body's ability to process amino acids and produce important brain chemicals. This vitamin supports the nervous system, immune function, and the creation of red blood cells. When levels drop, symptoms may include anemia, skin rashes, mood changes, and nerve problems. Certain medications, chronic illnesses, and poor diets can increase the risk of this deficiency. Vitamin B7 deficiency. Vitamin B7 involves a lack of biotin, a vitamin known for supporting healthy hair, skin, and metabolism. Biotin helps the body process carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Although deficiency is uncommon, it can happen in people with genetic conditions, long-term antibiotic use, or extremely restricted diets. Signs may include thinning hair, brittle nails, skin rashes, and fatigue. Vitamin B9 deficiency. Vitamin B9, often called folate deficiency, affects cell growth and DNA production. Folate is especially important during pregnancy because it supports proper development of the baby's brain and spine. Without enough folate, the body may develop a type of anemia that causes weakness, pale skin, and shortness of breath. Leafy greens, beans, and fortified grains are common sources of this vitamin. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency occurs when the body lacks enough cobalamin, a vitamin essential for nerve health and red blood cell production. This vitamin is mostly found in animal-based foods such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. When deficiency develops, symptoms can include fatigue, memory problems, numbness in the hands and feet, and anemia. In some cases, the problem is not diet, but the body's inability to absorb B12 properly, which can happen with certain stomach conditions. Vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C deficiency reduces the body's ability to maintain healthy skin, blood vessels, and connective tissue. This vitamin supports the immune system and helps the body absorb iron. A severe lack of vitamin C leads to a condition called scurvy, historically seen among sailors who spent long periods without fresh fruits and vegetables. Symptoms include bleeding gums, joint pain, fatigue, and slow wound healing. Vitamin D deficiency occurs when the body does not get enough sunlight or dietary vitamin D to support bone health and calcium absorption. This vitamin helps maintain strong bones and supports the immune system. In children, severe deficiency can lead to rickets, a condition where bones become soft and deformed. In adults, it can contribute to weak bones, muscle pain, and a higher risk of fractures. Vitamin E deficiency affects the body's ability to protect cells from damage caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals. This vitamin acts as an antioxidant and supports immune function. When levels are too low, nerve and muscle damage can develop, leading to weakness or coordination problems. Although rare in healthy adults, it may occur in people with conditions that affect fat absorption. Vitamin K deficiency interferes with the body's ability to properly clot blood. This vitamin plays a crucial role in the process that stops bleeding after injury. When the body lacks vitamin K, bruising and excessive bleeding can occur more easily. Newborn babies are especially vulnerable because they are born with very low vitamin K levels, which is why vitamin K injections are commonly given shortly after birth.